Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 235 Freedom. The hull color of this boat is Cape Gray. This boat is powered by a Yamaha 300 4-stroke engine. You'll see a stainless steel boarding ladder with integrated back deck. As we come into the boat, you'll have a freshwater sprayer, dual battery switch. This boat does have a transom aft full bench seat, large fish box, a large live well. It does have a pop-up ski pylon. As we come through the boat, here on the starboard side, you'll see a sink prep station with a Yeti cooler below. This is the 2 helm chair option. This boat also has the extended sure shade off the back, LED spreader lights built into the hardtop, plenty of storage with the net underneath, and LED color changing lights. Here at the helm, digital throttle shift, Bennett trim tabs with indicators, Yamaha controls. Does have a Fusion stereo system and tilt wheel steering. Here on the port side, you've got a nice spacious head area. As you enter the bow, you've got the bow block off door. And up forward, you'll see plenty of seating and also the windlass option. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 235 Freedom. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.